just trying to drive it once again. Baby, you got a body like a Benz. I'm just trying to drive it once again. You got the
What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I did this beautiful look, not only using the Anastasia new Riviera palette, because you guys know this is fire on the market right now, but you guys, I did go makeup shopping, and you're gonna see in the next clip, I'm gonna show you guys literally all of the bags that I had to dig and pick shit from. So this is gonna be hot new shits, okay, that I have not tried yet. So literally everything in this video is gonna be me trying new makeup, you guys. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look using new shit, then you already know what to do. Keep on watching, and until next time, bye. Oh, there's a lot of new followers. Hey girl, hey, my name is Leslie, and yeah, you guys, I decided to talk through this video, you know, show a little personality or whatever. Oh my god, you guys, I have to put you on to this new serum that I have been loving, and this is from Teami. I actually talked about their mask a few videos ago. I think it was my Valentine's Day video. I used their detox mask, and they actually just came out with this Vit C serum, which is like a vitamin C serum. I feel like this serum literally was like made for me. It has like everything that I want in a serum, you guys. The ingredients are like everything that I look for. Like when I'm looking for like skincare, I always go with stuff that has vitamin C, because I do get a little bit of discoloration on my cheeks and I'm super dry. Vitamin C just makes your skin look so even and so glowy. That's why I love using products with vitamin C. So this is infused with tea and also vitamin C, which I absolutely love. But it also has hibiscus flower in it. It's known for like a Botox plant. So basically it's like a Botox but inside your skincare. So this is gonna actually help you guys with fine lines and actually making the skin look nice and plumpy. Literally a little bit of this goes a long way. So I usually use only 2 pumps for my face, which is pretty much. I use this actually in the morning and in the nighttime. So I actually incorporate this in my skincare before and after makeup. I like it before makeup especially because it keeps my skin nice and moisturized and glowy, but it also has like a little bit of like a tackiness, so it's like actually perfect, you guys, to use underneath makeup. So this works as a primer for your skin as well, and I absolutely love the scent. It smells very citrusy and very like tropical, which is exactly what I need, bitch, because it's getting warm. I don't know if you guys can see a difference in my skin, but like it just leaves me so glowy. So like I said, I feel like this serum was made for me, because vitamin C serum and hyaluronic acid in a fucking serum, yes girl, I need it, especially if you a dry girl. Since I've been using this, this is the only thing that I have been using as far as like primer, moisturizer. I literally just been using this and then moving on. So yeah, if you guys want to check out the vitamin C serum from Teami, I'll leave a link down in the description box. And if I do have a coupon code, I will leave it down there. I've been buying so much makeup. It is literally ridiculous. Like, you think I'm playing? Hold on. Like, Sephora, Ulta, Morphe, okay? Hold on, bitch. Hold on. And also Riley Rose. So I was gonna do a new shit makeup haul, but I'm pretty sure you guys want to see me use this shit in action. Accumulating this makeup probably for like a month already. I actually bought a bunch of palettes, but I was torn between which ones I wanted to use, and it was kind of like a tie between these two. So it's the Anastasia Riviera palettes. Yeah, and then also the Morphe 35G Bronze Goals palette. So I didn't know which one I wanted to use, but I'm not gonna front today. I'm feeling a little bit of color. We don't want to do a bronze neutral moment. Not today, bitch. Not today. This is the Riviera palette. I actually also picked up the Dewy set. Guys, I haven't did a talk through in a minute. Let me take, this should be annoying me. I don't even know what is the point of these shit. So this is what the palette looks like. She's absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I love that Anastasia finally gave us some color to play with. I'm so excited to be playing with this today. I'm so happy that I chose to play with this and not the Morphe palette because no shade, no shade. I'm ready for some color. If you guys could hear Autumn shooting, she's like, pew, 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 pew. Like, I get this asked all the time. How do I manage being a full-time YouTuber and a mom? Like, how do I find the time to still slay? I think I get that asked so much. Kind of just like wait for people to get home, like my parents or like my sister who lives in the house upstairs. But that's also like another reason why I'm like not in a rush to move out, because like I would lose the help, if that makes sense, if I was to live alone with just like me and Autumn, especially because I'm a single mom now. It works out in my favor because, you know, they do help out when I have to film and stuff. So that's kind of how I do it. But of course, there are times where like I have nobody. So times like that, what I do is I actually film at nighttime and I'll like put Autumn to bed. And then I'll have to just stay up super late. That's like usually when I edit or whatever. And I'll just stay up editing or working or doing whatever I need to get done while she's sleeping. So I do that sometimes in the morning or sometimes in the nighttime. So I'll either wait for her to go to bed and then film, or I'll wake up before her while she's sleeping in the morning and film. So I kind of just like go based off her schedule. So whenever someone in the house is like, oh, let me take Autumn, I'll be like, all right, bet, give me 2 hours. I'm gonna go film a tutorial real quick. So yeah, so I'm gonna be taking the shade Bahamas. Oh, she. Sometimes I like forget that I have a mic, so I forget to like press it at the same time. It's a little complicated, but I'm sorry about that. Oh, she is pigmented, honey. Kind of caught a bitch off guard. I'm gonna try to use as many shades as I can. You guys, I'm about to like serve a look right now. So I'm not even gonna hold you, but I'm actually about to like put some music for the eye part because I really don't know what look I'm about to do. So usually when I don't have an idea, I kind of like zone out and like fast forward this part. So anyway, back to the face and back to the new shit. So I picked up the new, this is the Hourglass Vanish Liquid Foundation. You guys know I used to always rave about the stick one. When I first got it, I bought the wrong shade. I think I bought the shade Nude, but I did go back and change it for the shade Buff because Nude was way too light. So I didn't even try this one. Well, she looks like she matches. Oh my God, girl. That coverage. Full coverage whore. You can see all the discoloration on this side. And then this side, girl, we are snatched. So far, I'm fucking loving this foundation. Like, it literally makes your skin look like butter, like fucking butter. Next in my little magical bag, oh my god, I totally forgot about this. Like I said, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I bought this when it first came out, and it is the Fenty Beauty. This is the new Pro Filter Instant Touch setting powder and also the concealer. So I got the concealer in the shade 185 and I got the shade Butter in the foundation. So I'm so freaking excited to finally be using this shit. What the fuck is you doing? I'm a little scared, you guys, but if anything I could just go over it with the Shape Tape because we still gotta slay. You guys, I'm like such a bitch when it comes up to using new shit. Because I'm like, is it going to fuck up my whole shit? Because so far, I really, really like this foundation, though. This concealer. Better not fuck my shit up. She's cute. Oh, wow. She is so, like, smooth. Makes the under eye look airbrush. It's not, like, sinking into my fine lines underneath my eye, which I hate. Wow. You guys see that? So now I would usually like cream contour, but I didn't get a new cream contour. So I'm going to really quickly cream contour with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I want to see you bust down, pick it up, and throw that shit down. Oh my God, that song is stuck in my head. Now I'm going to quickly set my under eye with this. Oh, you guys, I didn't even open this. Wow, packaging is gorgeous. She's beautiful. Oh wow, the little holes on it is a F and a B for Fenty Beauty. That's so cute. So I put a little bit into the cup. Hopefully you can see without me dropping the whole shit because yeah, I already know. It kind of has like a little scent to it, kind of like a baby powder scent. I'm literally gagging because you guys know I use nothing but Derma Blend because nothing in this world sets my eyes like Derma Blend. And I'm kind of gagging right now. Wow, I like this a lot. So moving on to contouring and to bronze up my face because this foundation kind of made the contour look a little bit more like cool tone. I don't know why, but the bronze collection from Morphe. So I feel like since I used the Riviera palette, it'll be more appropriate to use the Anastasia bronzer. I'll probably just use the palette and this bronzer in the next tutorial and give you guys like a nice bronzy look. But for now, I did pick up this powder bronzer from Anastasia and I got the shade Saddle. This one, which kind of looks super dark. No, it's not. It's not as intense as it looks in the pan. Ooh. I like the warmness of like my MAC Give Me Sun, you guys. And I guess since I'm like so used to using that, like this is nice, but I feel like it's not warming up my face like I want it to. Like this is my MAC Give Me Sun and this is the new bronzer that I bought. And I like the warmness of my MAC Give Me Sun, so I'm so sorry to break it to you, but we gotta use her. So now I'm gonna actually finish up my under eye really quickly and I'm gonna fast forward through this part and then we're gonna finish with some highlights and my lips. So I did finish up the eyes. Now I'm gonna highlight, and for the new highlighter I'm gonna be trying is actually the new Too Faced. This is the I know this is in collaboration with somebody. Oh, Erica Jane. She did a Too Faced collaboration, and you guys, I fell in love with the packaging. First of all, it has like a warning sign on it. Oh my god, there's like so much hair. But anyway, it has a warning sign and it says "Tear if you dare, warning, explicit highlighter." Okay, she's intense. So yeah, so this is what the packaging looks like. Packaging was so cute on it. How many fucks do I give, bitch? Not a single one. So when you open her, you guys, this is what it looks like. So it says, how many fucks do I give? And then on the mirror, it says, none, not one. I love that. And can we talk about the money sign? Like, yes. Whoa. You guys see this? Wow. Holy shit. Wow, this highlighter is blinding. Bitch, and this is on dry. Wow, I'm gonna have to blend it with my blush, but what you guys, and I'm like barely dipping my brush in there. Let me swatch. Look how, oh my god, I wish you guys can like see how buttery this is. Wow, this highlighter is intense. And it looks so pretty with the gold on the lid. She is glowing. I'm gonna be taking the new BH, the new BH liquid lipsticks. They actually sent me a PR package. Thank you, BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna be mixing these two. One is more like a nude and one is more like a pink. So I'm gonna be taking, this one is the shade T and this one is in the shade, what did I say? Thirsty. The pinky one, and then only putting this in the center. Like that. And then now I'm gonna take my finger and blend it. So now to set this makeup in place, I am gonna be using the Dewy Set. Can we talk about the packaging? Absolutely stunning. Look at this. It's stunning. Like, wow, Anastasia, you fucking just blew my mind away. So it reminds me of like a Max Fix Plus, like the way they did the bottle. Oh my god, I love the smell. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I did just like fix my hair or whatever and throw on my jean jacket, and I absolutely love the way that the eyes came out. So like my final thoughts on the Riviera palette, because like I said, this is also like a review as well. I really like it. I really think that it's cute. It's kind of like, it's definitely stepping out of my comfort zone. I mean, you guys see that I always use bright colors a lot, but the fact that there is like a mix of like metallics in there, like golds and grays and like different colors, it kind of makes this palette different on the market. It's not like your typical bright colored eyeshadow palette, which I really, really like. Now, to be 100% real with you guys, I don't know, you guys. I probably would use it once or twice, but it's not going to be a palette that like I gravitate towards a lot. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video of me using it. It'll probably like be the last time I use it. Not that I don't like the palette, it's just different. I'll probably use it again. I'm gassing it. Don't listen to me. I'll probably use it again. Just off the top, some of my favorite items from like my top favorite stuff out of all of the new stuff that I use. I definitely liked it. The foundation off rip. I loved the Erica Jane highlighter, the collab with Too Faced. I thought that was really cute. I really liked it. The Fenty Beauty setting powder, that was really nice. So those were like my favorite things. Oh, and definitely the setting spray, the Dewy Mist, bomb. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and definitely comment down below what you guys want to see next. And until next time, guys, bye.